हाय व्यूअर्स, आज हम करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस लेके आए। मैं आपको ये पढ़ाऊंगा आज। आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम वीडियो ये बन रही है, तो आप मोर देन 40 सेंटेंस करेक्ट एंड इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस हैं। इसको आप समझे और डेली लाइफ में ड्यूरिंग द कन्वर्सेशन आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। The teacher was angry against him. ये गलत है। The teacher was angry with him. This one correct. Angry with a person but angry at a thing. आप किसी आदमी पे गुस्सा हो सकते हैं मगर सही है, but angry at a thing, ठीक है। Angry with a person but angry at a thing, यानी विद पर्सन के साथ आप लगा लोगे और चीज़ों पे आप इट लगाओगे, ठीक है। He is afraid from the dog. Incorrect. He is afraid of the dog. This one correct. Adil was angry at the weather, not with the weather. Okay. She is very careful for her health. Incorrect. She is very careful about her health. This one correct. He traveled with the train yesterday. Incorrect. He traveled by train yesterday. This one correct. By train, by boat, by plane, by bike, by land, by sea, by air, by bus. ये सारे correct है। In a bus, on a bus, by car, in a car, by taxi, in a taxi, on horse, on a donkey, on a bicycle, on foot, ये सारे ठीक है। Our class is composed from 20 students. Incorrect. Our class is composed of 20 students. Correct. We have great confidence to you. Incorrect. We have great confidence in you. This one correct. In लगाएंगे। I congratulate you for your success. Incorrect. I congratulate you on your success. This one correct. सही। A year consists from 12 months. Incorrect. A year consists of 12 months. इधर from की बजाय आप off लगाओगे, ठीक है। The mountains are covered by snow. Incorrect. The mountains are covered with, by की जगह आप with लगा सकते हैं और in भी लगा सकते हैं, with और in snow. This one correct. ये by की वजह से incorrect है। The boy was cured from his illness. The boy was cured of his illness. From गलत है, of लगाओगे आप। This one incorrect. This one correct. It depends from him. It depends on or upon him. दोनों लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है। Incorrect, correct. Rely on या upon. For example, I can't rely on you. ये भी correct है। She was disappointed from her son. Incorrect. She was disappointed with लगा सकती है, in भी लगा सकते हो, her son. This one correct. Before a person use with, हम with लगाएंगे जहाँ person use हो रहा हो उससे पहले, और in या in लगाएंगे before a thing use, or in before a thing use it. सही। about यानी it भी लगा सकते हैं चीज़ों पे, knock at the door। सही। ये about भी लगा सकते हैं, by भी लगा सकते हैं। This one incorrect. This one correct. We divided the cake in 5 parts. Incorrect. We divided the cake into 5 parts. Into सही है, ठीक है, 5 parts। Incorrect, correct. A thing may be divided in half or in 2. हाफ के साथ आप इन लगाएंगे या और इन 2, दो के साथ भी इन लगा सकते हैं। Jamil was deprived from his freedom. Incorrect. Jamil was deprived of his freedom. Correct. My pen is different than yours. Incorrect. My pen is different from yours. Correct. Then गलत है, from सही है। Many people have died from virus. Incorrect. Many people have died of virus. of सही है, from गलत है. Incorrect, correct. People die of illness, of hunger, of thirst, or from wounds, from overwork, by violence, by sword and battle for country, through neglect on scaffold. ये सारे सही है, ठीक है. She was disappointed from the low market. Incorrect. She was disappointed. By लगा सकते हो, about भी लगा सकते हो, it भी लगा सकते हैं. The low market. Correct. People, ये मैंने आपको जैसे बताया. He aimed on the target. Incorrect. He aimed at the target. It लगाओगे. At the target. Correct. It denote. It क्या जाहिर करता है? डायरेक्शन को जाहिर करता है. Throw it. Shout it. Fire it. Shoot it. Shoot. Without it means to kill. Okay. बगैर आप it यूज करके, इसका मतलब है आप उसको मार रहे हो. सही है. जैसे कि he shouted at me. सही. इसका मतलब है वो गुस्सा है. he shouted to me. इसका मतलब है वो हेल्प के लिए चीख रहा है. तो it और टू में रद्द-बदल करने से बहुत सेंटेंस चेंज होती है. He was anxious for his health. Incorrect. He was anxious about his health. Correct. Anxious means wishing very much. Takes for. Okay. For example, parents are anxious for their children. I complain for the weather. Incorrect. I complain about the weather. For नहीं लगाओगे, about लगाओगे. Incorrect. Correct. When talking about illness, use. जब हम बीमारी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, use तो I complain for the weather. Incorrect. Correct one, this one. I complain about the weather. इधर about लगाओगे instead of for की जगह. And talking about in use complain of, for example, जब बीमारी के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं तो use complain of लगाए आप. I complain of a sore throat. गले का दर्द है. We have no doubt for his ability. We have incorrect. We have no doubt. Of लगा सकते हैं, about भी लगा सकते हैं for की जगह. About his ability. Okay, doubtful of. For example, we are doubtful of his ability. ये सही है. The girl was dressed with blue. Incorrect. The girl was dressed in blue. With नहीं लगाओगे, इधर in लगाओगे. Incorrect. Correct. The girl was in blue. Also correct. ये भी सही है. We believe to God. Incorrect. We believe in God. In लगाओगे आप, ठीक है. Correct. This one incorrect. This one correct. She takes care of his money. ठीक है. ये सही है. He traveled with the train yesterday. Incorrect. He traveled by train yesterday. ये correct है. By train सही है. Our class is composed from 20 students. Incorrect. Our class is composed of 20 students. Of लगाओगे. Correct. We have great confidence to you. We have great confidence in you. Okay. Correct. ये incorrect. ये correct. I congratulate you for your success. I congratulate you on your success. Incorrect. Correct. He likes me. Okay. गलत है. Does he like me? This one correct. Okay. You speak Spanish? Incorrect. Okay. Do you speak Spanish? This one correct. Okay. I saw she. Incorrect. I saw her. This one correct. What did happen last night? Incorrect. What happened last night? Correct. I have shower every day. Correct है. I have got a shower. ये भी correct है. I have got a bath. ये भी correct है. Have a drink सही. Have a coffee सही. ये सारे आप बोल सकते हैं. I had not a car. Incorrect. I didn't have a car. ये सही है. Had you a car? Incorrect. Did you have a car? ये सही है. I didn't went to work yesterday. Incorrect. क्योंकि इधर वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म में यूज होना चाहिए. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट है, ठीक है. नेगेटिव बनाते हो उसको फर्स्ट फॉर्म में वर्ब यूज होगा. I didn't go to work yesterday. So correct. I have 30. Incorrect. I am 30. This one correct. I am 30 years. ये भी गलत है. I'm 30 years old क्योंकि incomplete है, incomplete sentence है. I'm 30 years old, ये correct. I have cold, incorrect. I am cold, this one correct. I am cold mean I feel cold, ये इसके बराबर है. I have thirsty, गलत. I am thirsty, this one correct. I am thirsty mean I need something to drink, मुझे कुछ पीने को ज़रूरत है. You have wrong, गलत. You are wrong, this one सही. He live in UK, गलत. He lives in UK because verb present indefinite tense है, verb first form जब he she it हो singular pronoun तो verb के साथ ऐसे ही s लगाओगे. He lives in UK, this one correct. People lives गलत because this one people live, this one plural. Okay, so plural pronoun के साथ verb हमेशा singular आएगा, ऐसे ही इसने लेगा. People live, this one correct. My brother, he speaks Spanish, incorrect. My brother speaks Spanish, this one correct. Everyone have, गलत. Everyone has because everyone have, incorrect. Everyone has because this one correct, सही है ये. Everyone mean each single person. जब each single person हो तो उसके साथ has लगाओगे क्योंकि plural नहीं है, that's why. हर एक को लगता है कि ये singular है, ये नहीं everyone है, यानी ये plural समझ रहा है, पर ये singular है, each individual. This my car cost me a lot of money, incorrect. My car cost a lot of money, correct. I think it's going to rain, incorrect. I think it's going to rain. It's going to rain, this one correct. Okay. Is alright to meet at 7 instead of at 8, incorrect. Is it alright to meet at 7 instead of at 8, correct. I think it's going to rain. I think it is going to rain, incorrect, correct. We go usually to cinema on Monday, incorrect. We usually go to cinema on Monday, correct. I went to supermarket for buy some bread, incorrect. I went to the supermarket to buy bread, correct. You look good means you look well. Sorry for the late, incorrect, गलत है. Sorry I am late, this one correct. I did good in the Spanish exam, this one correct. I did well in the Spanish exam, this one also correct. He drives fastly, incorrect. He drives fast, this one correct. I speak Spanish well, this one correct. I work hardly, incorrect. I work hard, this one correct. I haven't a car, this one incorrect. I don't have a cat, this one correct. Do you have a cat, this one correct. Yes I do. ऐसे भी आप बोल सकते हो, this one correct. No I don't, this one also correct. Have a holiday, correct. Have a dinner, have a picnic, have a good time, have a snack, ये सारे आप बोल सकते हैं, यूज कर सकते हैं.